Alright, hey guys, just taking off my tool wheel and going to be swapping out the tire. I don't know if this is going to make it to YouTube or not. See how it comes out. I figure just let the camera run while I'm doing it. It's nothing exciting. I'm sure anybody who rides a bike has done this. But while I've got the flip, might as well utilize it. I may not have it too much longer. My wife borrowed it from school, and they may want it back, I don't know. But all I'm doing is removing the cotter pin. Like I said, it's not rocket science. You guys have all done this before, I'm sure. Sometimes it goes easier than others. But I got all the tools I need here. I'm utilizing a couple tools from my car tool bag just because I don't feel like taking around. There you go. And I'm going to use the supplied Kawasaki wrench. Comes out pretty quick. I don't have it cranked down super tight. No real need to put it down super tight. I know some guys that just crank it in there, and I don't understand it. I just never understood that. If you got a good cotter pin in there, then what's the point? Now, I'll move it up a little. I'll have to degrease everything after anyways. That's not ready to come out yet. Here's one. And I put them, I don't know if you can see it, I don't lay them out. Some people lay them out. I just put them on the stands or whatever I'm using on the right side, because I'll mix it up and it'll just suck. Gotta go to the other side. Get all fancy and put different stands underneath the wheels or whatnot. I don't bother, just use my foot. Now, I do need to hang the brake caliper. Look at my brakes; they're still looking good. And I don't try to get all too fancy with this stuff. Where the hell did I hang it last time? You know, I'll just hook it here. Ain't gonna go nowhere. I'll clean all this stuff off later. Now bear with me while I move everything around. Here's my Kenda K761. That's disgusting. I got to deflate it. Whack myself on the knuckle. That's no fun. No, I need a wrench for that. I can't get the fingers around it. Just a pair of pliers.
long neck bottom. Let go my hand. Hey, jukebox, don't start playing that song again. 'Cause there's a girl at home who loves me. You know she won't understand. Long neck bottom. Let go my hand. Hey, ballroom mirror on the wall, go stare at someone else. Don't show the world the fool I am. Just keep it to yourself. Long neck bottom. Let go my hand. Well, jukebox, don't stop playing that song again. 'Cause there's a girl at home who loves me. You know she won't understand. Long neck bottom. Let go my hand. Let go. Just can't learn. Long neck bottom. Let go my hand. Hey, jukebox, don't stop playing that song again. 'Cause there's a girl at home who loves me. You know she won't understand. Long neck bottom. Let go my hand. There's a girl at home who loves me. You know she won't understand. Bottom, let go my hand. Oh, bottom, get on. Oh.
Yeah, no, I stopped talking. Just the way it is. I get working, I get my head, try to get my head around something, and I just shut up. Which is probably the only time I really do shut up, depending on who you talk to. I'm being careful not to pinch the tube. Trying to be careful. I had one of these put on professionally by a dealer, and I had to take it back to him because he fucking pinched the hell out of the tube. Getting a flat tire. I went to change it. Oh, Jesus Christ. You could see it was still pinched in there. First I got out of the damn lot. Alright. Now the real hard one. Small bites, small bites. I have a feeling that I'm going to be replacing tube, whether I like it or not. I think I just got it. Now this might be a fail video. I'm starting to get a little irritated with it. Which always means I'm going to make a mistake somewhere. And I end up paying somebody to fix my mistakes. That would hurt me big balls. Wow, these tires are a hell of a lot harder than that other one. Holy shit. Well, I got part of the way there. Let's see down the other side. Everything else seated. This side has not seated yet. Give it another shot. And then, well, my first fail video. I'm just going to load this back in the car and go to cycle gear and say, listen, I tried and I failed, and please help me get my bike back on the road. My bearings look pretty good. So, tire's a lot stiffer than the other one. A lot stiffer. So I don't damage my tire too much, I'm just going to take it over and have him fix it. I'll drop it off and then hopefully pick it up tomorrow. So, first fail video. I don't know if you saw that. And, well, I'll repost once I get it back and get it on. See? I won't always go the right way. Fortunately, I'm not on the road with this because that would really suck. I'm sure there's a lot of things I did different or wrong, depending on your point of view. Just the way I did it, or didn't do it. I would have normally done it. These are very stiff. Very stiff. So, that's it. Leave your comments. I may or may not respond. I usually do. And I'll talk to y'all later.